We are pleased to show you the 2019 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, splash guards, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.